quick video here just to explain very basic what you need to know. And there'll also be a link on our website. We do have a page that addresses scale down models and what you need to know. But the number one thing is you need a 3D CAD file drawing in order to build a 3D printed part. So that's where you're going to have to start. If you don't have a CAD file, unfortunately, that's not something that we would be able to help you out with. A mechanical engineer, mechanical designer, sometimes architects can do that type of thing for you. What you should do once you do have your CAD file is instruct that person or those people to scale the model down. Now, if your component is 20 feet long and you need it to be 12 inches long, take into consideration there's a bunch of items that are going to get very small and they're not going to build. So let's say you had a bolt that's 1 inch long in a 20-foot long piece of equipment. When you scale it down, that's minuscule. It's not even going to be relevant. So strip it down. Remove any inner workings of machinery that doesn't need to be in there. Any details that you're not going to see, you can remove.